Another form of home gardening, you don't have to have a lot of space. You could just get a container of any sorts. You can use a pot as long as it has drainage on the bottom, and get some soil and add either seeds and start it inside because it's not warm enough yet for seeds to go outside. If you wanted to get a starter plant, either at Home Depot or some grocery stores are selling them, and you just plant them straight into the pot. You can leave them outside, you can put them on your porch, that way they're easily accessible, or you can grow smaller ones inside for now in the kitchen by the window. Make sure they just get enough sun. I have lemon basil, some chives, oregano, flat parsley, more chives, rosemary, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Italian basil, and some mint. Container gardening, we're just going to get a 5-gallon bucket. You can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. We have our drill. You can also just use a hammer and nail. It might take a little bit longer. And Saraya's gonna help me. Why do we need holes at the bottom of our bucket?
So the bucket doesn't flood.
The bucket doesn't flood, and then the plant would die, right?
Yeah.
I just took a screw and put it right through the plastic with the drill. The plastic is a bit more flimsy than wood, so it took a couple tries. And then I just unscrewed it with my hand, and I put about 5 or 6 holes around the entire container. Soil from our garden here and put it in the bottom of the bucket. Hopefully we'll find some worms.
If we don't, we can just use our hands.
We can try to find them with our hands, yep. It's really important to break apart the root system at the bottom so that the roots can grow down more. So make sure you're doing that before planting. The tomato plant is going to be growing up, and we want to support it so it doesn't fall over. So I'm just going to put a skewer from my kitchen in here. You can also use a stick, and then some bread ties to secure it gently. Perfect. And that's good. All right. So that is your container gardening there. We can add a little bit more soil, but I didn't want too much because the roots aren't going to get too crazy. That's enough soil in there. And we also will bring it inside probably today because it is going to be frosty this weekend. But after this weekend, you can plant pretty much anything outside.